Relative to a fixed origin O, the point A has position vector 4i minus 3j plus 5k. Immediately, I am going to use column vectors rather than ijk's. So I'm going to write that as 4, negative 3, 5. B is 4j plus 6k, so I'm going to write OB as 0, 4, 6. And C has position vector negative 16i plus pj plus 10k. I'm going to call that negative 16p10. Just prefer working with column vectors. P is a constant. Given that A, B and C lie on a straight line, find the value of P. What I'm going to do is I am actually going to find the equation of the line that goes through A and B, and then consider that C is on the straight line. So let's find AB, which will be the direction of the line, and that's equal to B minus A. So 0, 4, 6, take away 4, negative 3, 5. That gives me negative 4, 7, 1. And then the equation of the line that goes through them is 4, negative 3, 5. So we start at A, and then we'll go some distance along negative 4, 7, 1. And what we're going to do is try and match that, make that match up with the value here. So if we consider the k component here, to get that to be 10, take lambda equal to 5. So if lambda is equal to 5, r is going to be 4, negative 3, 5, plus 5, negative 4, 7, 1. So that is going to be 4 take away 20, which matches with the negative 16. And then 35 take away 3 is 32. And we know that this matches with the 10 because that's how we found the value of 5. And that tells me that P is equal to 32. So we're going to use that in the next part of the question. The line segment OB is extended to a point D so that CD is parallel to OA. So what we have is, let's say this is OB. We're extending that out here, and the point D is out here. So what we can say from that is that OD is equal to lambda times OB, some multiple of OB, which means it is lambda 0, 4, 6, since OB is 0, 4, 6. Now, what about CD? Well, that's going to be D take away C. So it's going to be lambda 0, 4, 6, take away C, which is negative 16, 32, 10. That is going to give me 16, 4 lambda take away 32, 6 lambda take away 10. And we know that's parallel to OA. So we can say that 16, 4 lambda take away 32, 6 lambda take away 10 is equal to some multiple of 4, negative 3, 5. Now, just comparing the top gives me mu is equal to 4. And then I'm going to use the k components here, which give me that 6 lambda take away 10 is equal to 5 times mu, which is 20. 6 lambda equals 30. And that would be lambda equals 5. So, if that's the case, OD, going back to here, lambda is 5, is 0, 20, 30. And the modulus of OD, therefore, is going to be the square root of 20 squared plus 30 squared, which is root 400 plus 900, which is equal to the square root of 1300, which is root 100 root 13, so it's 10 root 13.